Hi and welcome back. Thanks for joining me in another one of my videos again. I wanted to explain a little bit of what I'll be doing in this video. I plan on getting my kitchen cleaned up a little bit. I need to tidy up some and put some dishes away. Then I do need to start some laundry. I need to vacuum my steps. It's getting a lot of cat hair buildup on it. It's one of the few places left in my house that I still do have carpet on, so the cat hair kind of sticks to it. I need to take care of that. And then I wanted to show you some new sheets I got and a new comforter that I got. They're very pretty and I'm hoping I really like them. I haven't opened them yet, but we will see. But just in general, got to get some stuff done, and you can come join along with me today. Thank you. So let's get the diffuser going like I usually do, so it'll smell nice and fresh in the house. Today I chose dark orange and lemon as my scent. Let's forget about a curfew, 'cause all that is stuck in my... I start every day off by making my drink. I do not drink coffee. I've tried many a times. It's just something that I don't like the taste of, and it just never stuck with me. So what I drink every day is electrolytes. So I just put water in my cup and I put some electrolytes in, some fiber, and a little bit of iodine. My electrolytes packets are Element. I did grapefruit today, but I change it up, and sometimes I'll mix my flavors too, but I usually only do half a packet of the electrolytes, because if I do a whole packet, it just seems super salty. And I always use this mixer to break up everything really good. That way it just dissolves better. And then after I use the little mixer, I go back and then I will shake my drink up also, just so everything gets to the bottom and everything's dispersed evenly. I wanted to get my island cleaned up. One thing I like to try to keep cleared off is my island, because it will clutter really fast. So I just started off by cleaning up what I have on my island, and then I wanted to wipe the counters and take care of a few other things in the kitchen, and then also put some dishes away. Let's just let our bodies be true. We make out for the thrill of it, mess around for the thrill of it. Don't stop now, never let this end. For the thrill of it, thinking that we no about to leave, already packing. The island gets used so much that I feel like I'm always constantly wiping it off, and I'm always decluttering it. Do you guys feel like your island in your house is the same way? Like you're always having to keep up with it and clear it off? Life with no distractions, we'll get away. This is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. I always feel better once the kitchen is picked up a little, even if the rest of the house still needs something. Having the counters clean makes everything just feel better. And this is usually one of the first things I like to do in the morning, because it makes the whole house just feel better and kind of put together. Like if I have not done it the night before, then I will take care of it in the morning. But sometimes my pattern is to try to clear the island at night too. So it just depends on what's going on and my schedule. And all I'm doing in the kitchen this day in particular is just a quick tidy, nothing too deep, but sometimes that's all it takes. Just a little cleanup, nothing too big. Just a little cleanup can just make a difference.
Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts. Be free.
So this part, putting the dishes away, is never exciting. But I do try to stay on top of little tasks like this in the morning so they don't hang over me the rest of the day. I would like to get a new washer and dryer at some point. My washing machine is very old. I got this washing machine when I was 24 years old, and I am now 42. So this washing machine is 18 years old. It's been through a lot of moves, and when I was 24, I had a roommate, and she washed a red comforter in that washing machine. And if you ever see a close-up of my washing machine, you'll see like kind of like a red stain embedded around the top because the comforter got all wound up and caught up in there, and it just like left like a red kind of mark stain on there. So I've had that for a very long time, but it's still holding up, so I'm still keeping it and it's going strong. It does need a new knob though. That has been broke for a couple years. I just haven't put the time out to replace it.
Like helium.
So I got some new sheets for my bedroom and a new comforter. I was really excited to open these sheets and actually see what they look like, and I ended up really liking them. I think they're very pretty. I've never really had floral sheets like this before, but I wanted something that had some purple in it also. And then I wanted a new comforter too. I've had the same comforter for a long time. I really think the purple on these sheets and the floral is just so bright and airy and pretty looking. I think it'll look really good in my bedroom. I currently only have one set of sheets, so it's going to be nice to have like a backup. So I could be washing one and then I can go ahead and put another set on. I won't have to wait till they're done washed and then put that same set of sheets on. Plus, those sheets are also 100% cotton. So they feel really nice, and I think they're going to be really nice to have. So this is the new comforter. It's actually a thin comforter, but I am okay with that. It's kind of a lightweight also, but I think it's really pretty. The stitching on it is really pretty. When you see it up close, you'll see that it has little bows stitched into it. And I think that's really cute.
Hold on when you need a friend, I'll never let you go again.
And I'm also really liking the ruffles that are on the comforter and the pillowcases. I think it's cute, and the sheets and the comforter go really good together. So I'm excited to get it all set up in my bedroom.
Get up, don't hang your head, we'll take it step by step. Fell inside, now I'm living in a matchbox. All this time, all it needs.
So this is a task I've been putting off for a while. I need to vacuum my steps. I'm getting a lot of fat hair buildup on these steps, and it just really needs to be cleaned up. Now, I actually have my son vacuum the steps a lot for me, but I felt like it just really needed a very good vacuum, kind of deep cleaning, if you know what I mean.
Somebody stole it and put it in your head.
And as you can see, my vacuum is also very old, but I don't actually use a vacuum cleaner a whole lot. I do have robot vacuums in my home. I have one upstairs, and we also have one in our finished basement. So I don't actually have to use like handheld vacuum a whole bunch. So I don't pull it out a lot. So it gets the job done when I do need to do it and use it. But this vacuum is probably 10 years old. I do definitely want to get a new one. I've seen a lot of neat, cool ones that people have in their videos. So I would like to upgrade my vacuum too at some point. And as you saw, I went up the stairs and vacuumed, and then I also vacuumed on my way back down. But on my way back down, I just got the edges that meet the wall, and then where the steps meet, to get those corners really good.
Give me my heart back, somebody stole it and put it in your head. Give me my heart back, somebody stole it and put it in your head.
And see this cord on this vacuum, I mean, it's a little annoying. I've seen newer vacuums that you just charge them and they don't have a cord. So do you have a good vacuum that you just charge and no cord? Do you have any good recommendations? Okay, so I got the kitchen tidied up, the dishes put away, got some laundry started, and I also got to open my new bedding, which was exciting. And I also got the steps vacuumed very good. And thanks so much for spending part of your day with me. And I hope this gave you a little motivation. I really appreciate everyone who watches my videos. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.